Hello all, I am from Hotwix Media team. In the previous videos we have covered how to create a new order in CSR application and pick a order in warehouse application. We'll be packing the order and shipping it to the customer. I'm logging as a packer. This is the landing page of the warehouse application. Select the menu and the menu item create shipment. Here the packer can enter pick list bin ID or the order number, or it can scan it from the pick list documents. I'm entering the order ID here. This is the packing screen on which packer may perform various operations. Currently the shipment is in input status. Here is the shipment address, that is the customer's address. The shipping method selected by the customer by placing the order. The estimated shipping cost quoted to the customer. In this section, the order items are listed. A packer may select one or many items for packing. Select the packaging input box type. I am going with the year packaging and entering the package weight here. The shipment package has been created. The packer may remove the items if needed from the package. Going ahead, the packer may get online shipping rates from the shipping carrier. The system fetches the comparison between the online rates from the shipping carrier and the shipping cost quoted to the customer. Now the status of the shipment has been changed to packed. Going ahead, the packer may get the online shipping label from the shipping carrier. This is the final step towards the fulfillment process. Here the payment has been captured and the transactions are posted in the general ledgers. Also, the packing slip, invoices and shipping label has been generated. The shipping label has been obtained from the shipping carrier, which contains all the needed information like the shipping method, the packaging type, the customer information and the tracking number of the shipment. The packer will paste the shipping label on the package and send it to the shipping carrier, who will post it to the customer, and the fulfillment process will be completed for this package. Once all the items of an order are shipped, the order will be marked as completed in the CSR application. Thank you.